Hello, we are ICECO, and we are pleased to introduce the TR Travel Series of automotive refrigerators. The ICECO TR Series is the ultimate solution for individuals or groups on multi-day excursions with real needs to keep their foods cold, fresh, and safe to eat. Our products are widely used in automobiles, yachts, RVs, trucks, commercial vehicles, or even medical units. With ICECO by your side, you'll never buy ice again. It's a compressor car refrigerator powered by CCOP compressor units. The compressor is the heart of the refrigerator, and CCOP is the most vibration-resistant compressor on the market, and it can pump the refrigerant through the refrigerating circuit with a motor speed of about 3,000 revolutions per minute, which allows ICECO to present excellent cooling performance, even at extreme ambient temperatures and with minimal power consumption. Connect it directly to your vehicle's 12 or 24-volt DC power source, or take advantage of your freezer's AC inverter and run it at home before your departure. Suitable overall size fits in most types of cars. Caster wheels also add mobility to an excellent package. Swappable side-open fridge door provides you easy placement flexibility inside your vehicle. Outstanding door seals also help to minimize energy consumption. With portable soft handles, it's easy to take on the go. The flexible handle design gives the TR series extra side clearances. The inside LED light is a pleasant addition, as it allows you to recognize in the dark. A removable basket can help you organize the ingredient and take it out easily. With over 15 years of car refrigerator experiences, ICECO is suitably qualified to provide support to our expansive customer base. As a commitment to our customers, all ICECO units come with 5-year limited warranties on the compressors and a 1-year general warranty as well. For more information, please search ICECO on Google or visit our official web, www.icecofreezer.com.